Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Ali and you are watching Mobile Therapy. In this video, I will show you some interesting features and specification of the great Oppo Realme 2 Pro. So let's get through the video. Oppo has launched its new Realme 2 and now they have announced Pro to come soon in the market. So now new hype is created that something new is coming and it will be better than previous one. So it means that the Oppo Realme 2 is real and it is on its way toward the different markets. This new addition in the family is bringing some extra power to those who want to spend an extra money to buy a better Oppo Realme 2 Pro to fulfill their desire by getting a better thing in their hand. Memory setup of this new phone is 6GB RAM to tackle the high-end graphic game, while the Oppo Realme 2 internal storage is consists of massive 128GB ROM, which is going to store a lot of information. Dual SIM slots are planted inside the Realme 2 Pro by Oppo, so you can keep in contact with family and friends simultaneously. Looking for an SD card option, then there is a dedicated one and it is capable to give Oppo 2 Pro an additional storage capacity of 256GB. 6.3-inch screen of the phone is really big and it is decorated with 1080 into 2340 pixel resolution and 19:9 pixel density of Oppo Realme 2 Pro is 271, which is not too much good for such a big screen, but still it can manage to give you a clear picture. Engine of Realme 2 Pro is consists of a Snapdragon 666 chipset which has octa-core processor with clock speed 2 GHz. Adreno 506 GPU is going to tackle your graphic and games. Realme 2 Pro has protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 which protect him from scratches. Now let's talk about their camera. Their main camera is dual 16 megapixel with focus 1.7 and deep sensor LED flashlight. Their front camera 16 megapixel with focus 2.0 HDR video 1080p at 30 fps. Now let's talk about its battery. So Realme 2 provided a battery capacity Li-ion non-removable 3500 mAh. This is the interesting information, interesting features about Oppo Realme 2 Pro. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please press the like button. If you dislike, then press the dislike. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.